It's time for another design challenge. That's right, today we build catapults using popsicle sticks, marshmallows, a spoon, and some rubber bands. We're learning about simple machines. Look at my handy dandy design. I have a lever, which I'm gonna be able to pull down, and I'm gonna be able to shoot a marshmallow right at you. And the engineering design process means you design, test, and retest again. Have some fun, let's get started. Fulcrum, lever, and here's our base. Oh, that was awesome! Came right at you. Can you do the same thing? Try to build your catapult, and until next time, keep learning. Full steam ahead.